So I want to show you how I use the Redefine regimen. And yes, I use all of these products twice a day, in the morning and at night before I go to sleep. So of course the products will, there's two different creams that you're going to use differently, one in the morning and one at night. So I'm going to show you what I use in the morning. So I start with a clean face, and I get my daily cleansing mask. If you can see that, it's step 1 of the Redefine, and I just put a little bit. That's it. So I wet it a little bit, and I start putting it on my face. Make sure that I don't put it too close to my eyes. So after 2 minutes, I wash it off. Wait for it to dry a little bit, and then I use the Redefine toner. Get a cotton ball. They say that that it's better to use the cotton pads because then you don't waste too much product. But I'm using a cotton ball. So the toner is to balance your pH, and usually some toners are very harsh and it might sting a little bit, but honestly this one doesn't, so it's pretty good. So let it dry a little bit. So next I use my Bright Eye Complex. So put like a tiny dot, and I use my fourth finger, my ring finger, because it's the softest, and it won't, if you use it on your eyes, it's not as strong as the other fingers. So you don't want to rub it. And then I use the multifunction eye cream. So this and this are not in the Redefine regimen. I had to get it separately, but everyone needs eye cream. By 20 years old, you have to be using eye cream. So I have a little scooper, because I don't want to use my fingers. Next I use it's step 3. It's called the Triple Defense Treatment, and this is for the AM, just AM right here. And you also get for the Redefine regimen, you also get the PM. So this one's for nighttime, and this one's for the daytime. So it has, the daytime has SPF 30. So again, I just use a little bit. So and I usually put it over here on this part of my hand. So it's just a little bit. So this is my everyday routine. I use the active hydration serum, and I mix it with a tinted moisturizer. This also has a SPF 50, and it has for UVB and UVA rays. It's pretty good too. So again, I just put a little bit, that much, and I get the Active Hydration Serum by Rodan and Fields. Comes in this thing. So I just press one time. So we also have the Lash Boost. I usually use this at night because, well, I'm not like super into lashes, but you're supposed to use this twice a day, one at night and one in the morning, but I only like using it at night. If you want to get the best results, you want to use it twice a day. One in the morning, one at night. So you just put as close to your lashes as possible. Dip it again and take off the excess amount. A little bit goes a long way. So you don't have to put it on your lower lashes, because once you start blinking your eyes, it'll normally go under your lower lashes. So the Lash Boost isn't harmful to your eyes, so I don't feel anything. It doesn't sting or anything. So that's my morning routine and night routine. I mean, it just varies on what I use, but for the morning routine, it's easy. It takes me less than 10 minutes. So that's it. And I just use a little chapstick and good to go.